Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your kit on Dream League Soccer. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. You can see that I'm on the home page of Dream League Soccer. Now there are many options here, but at the bottom part you'll be able to see 4 options: challenges, team, transfers, and my club. You have to click on my club. Now there are 2 options here: customize and training. Click on the customize. That's all. You have to click on the kit and you have to edit your kit. That's very easy. You can select your color that you want like this. You can also select your saturation, lightness, anything. You can just change it. You can change your sponsor, you can change your shorts, socks, shirt, or you can also change your secondary color. After that you can also select your kit type like plain or stripes A, kit trim, anything. You can change it from here. So that's how easily you can just change the kit on Dream League Soccer, and at last you have to click the save button from the bottom right corner. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.